You ever spray weeds, walk away proud, then come back a week later and they're flipping you off from the parking lot? Yeah, us too. That's why we use Formula 190X. No mixing, no mercy, just results. Formula 190X is a non-selective, ready-to-use herbicide designed to control a wide variety of weeds and grasses. No dilution needed. Just apply using standard spraying equipment and let it get to work. This powerful formula penetrates deep into the plant and stays active even through rain and changing seasons. Use it on fence lines, parking lots, around buildings, storage yards, and for municipal weed control in other non-cropland areas. And if you'd rather dilute it yourself for more control, go with the concentrated version, Formula 400X Parch. Keep your grounds looking sharp and weed-free with Formula 190X. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and click Contact Us to get one step closer to an industrial-strength solution that actually works.